Hi all, Josh here from Kickofflabs. I want to answer a common question that comes in. This one is about how to change some of the text on your pages or your pop-ups. So obviously this is a landing page I'm looking at within the Kickofflabs, and it's for a rewards program. And I can edit the text. I can click in here. I can swap out images. I can edit the button text in this case here. But what you're looking at here is this countdown timer. I can't change this by just writing on it. There's a set of text here, days, hours, minutes. And then down here on the reward tracker, it's saying that these are points and how many points that someone's earned. And that point text, I can't just click in and change it. And that's because some of these things are global. So for components that are reused over and over again in your campaign, we only want you to have to set the things once. And so how can you change some of these defaults that we've set for your campaign, either into another language, or you just want to change the word entirely? There's a place to go to do that. So let's actually leave the editor. When we leave the editor, we'll go to setup, and then we'll go to all settings. Under settings, if we scroll down, you'll see text localization, terms, and countdown. So a couple of bits of text here. So first of all, the campaign terms and conditions that we pop up in different places. This is where you can edit that for the terms of your campaign. Then you have the countdown timer settings. So this is where you can change the end date to the countdown, and also links to where you would change the time zone and the language of the countdown so that you can change those words. And then if we look at general localization for the default word, here you'll see a set of words that are reused across the campaign. In the case of the reward tracker, we have this points word. So points word singular, points word plural. And so let's say I just want to change this to ticket and tickets instead of points here, because I want to tell people that they're earning tickets for whatever reason. We'll save these settings. And now if we go look at our landing page, you can see that this is now saying tickets, 6 tickets, 10 tickets. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit. Come on over to kickofflabs.com if you want to run your own simple giveaway and promotion.